During his first anniversary broadcast, Borno's governor, Professor Babagana Umara Zulum, announced determination to stimulate local government systems, most of which collapsed in the wake of attacks by insurgents. Zulum sped up reconstruction of local government secretariats and government lodges, palaces of emirs and other traditional rulers, police formations and courts. He restored basic services in more communities liberated from insurgents. Zulum strengthened security formations in accessible local government areas and ordered for the first time in 13 years elections for chairmen and councillors, which held in November 2020 across Borno's 27 local government areas. Before then, Professor Zulum directed emirs who had relocated to Maiduguri to return to their rebuilt palaces in local government areas and live with their subjects to build public confidence. Governor Zulum encouraged the emirs through numerous tours of local governments for humanitarian and developmental activities. Zulum approved funds to local government areas for administrative and developmental activities, while he paid surprise visits to local government secretariats to keep chairmen and their cabinets on their toes for grassroots administration. Zulum's scorecard on local government restoration. Vote APC.